The third important decision that was taken was introduction of the manufacture and sale of homemade fruit wines in the state. And under this particular rule, we will be now formally creating rules where individuals can now make homemade wine and sell them in the market. This will now allow farmers whose produce sometimes goes to waste. They will be helped with this particular process. But at the same time, we will also find a lot of entrepreneurs who would be, would get jobs through the creation of this particular rule and framework. And in this, we have, from the state government side, ensured that the ad valorem that is paid by these homemade fruit wine producers will be much lesser compared to the other products. So here only rupees 100 per case will be the ad valorem fees. Also, we have completely done away with the VAT that these homemade fruit wine producers, they will not have to pay VAT. And third, also we have also ensured that the license fees to make these wines, the license that they take is going to be only 7,500 rupees. And these can be opened up by individuals, by different cooperative societies, or by different companies who would like to go into this. And we strongly feel that this will really boost not just the overall the wine sector, local wine sector in the state, but I think it will go a long way in helping the farmers also who produce a lot of fruits in the state. So this was another important decision.